Sir, what is Rococo? Sir,
Let me finish coughing, elder. um, by the way, Rococo is an art of decoration or architecture. And by the way, it's a noun. Huh?
sir, you're great, sir.
Yeah, I know.